How to install Zoho Mail app on your phone. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, if you're using an Android, head over to your Play Store. If you're on your iOS device, you can head over to your App Store. Once you're in the store, tap on this search bar. Now type in Zoho Mail and search for it. In the search results, you will see the Zoho Mail app with this kind of logo over here. Once you find the app, in the right hand side, you can see the install button if you are using an Android. If you are on your iPhone, you will see the Get button. In order to install this app on your phone, you can tap on this button. Now the download process is started. It might take few moments depending on your internet speed. After the app is installed on your phone, you can see this open button. You can directly launch the app from here, so tap on open. And there you go, the app is successfully installed. You can now create your account and start exploring this app. That's it. That's a very easy process to install Zoho Mail app on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.